Welcome to Cyber-Theo. Today, we're diving into the world of music, exploring three of the Beatles' most iconic hits. Whether you're a longtime fan or just discovering their music, this tutorial will give you a deeper understanding of why these songs have stood the test of time and continue to resonate with listeners around the world. Hey Jude, 1968. Overview, released as a single in 1968, Hey Jude is one of the Beatles' most enduring hits. Written by Paul McCartney, the song was originally intended to comfort John Lennon's son, Julian, during his parents' divorce. Musical structure: the song is famous for its simple yet powerful structure, starting with a gentle piano and gradually building to an epic, sing-along chorus. The extended coda, na 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 section, makes up nearly half the song, creating a sense of communal experience that's become a staple at live performances. Cultural impact: Hey Jude topped the charts worldwide and became an anthem of hope and encouragement. Its universal appeal has made it a favorite across generations, and it's often performed at concerts, rallies, and events to this day. Let It Be, 1970. Overview: the title track of the Beatles' final studio album, Let It Be, was written by Paul McCartney and released in 1970. The song was inspired by a dream McCartney had about his late mother, who passed away when he was 14 years old. Musical structure: Let It Be is known for its soothing melody, underpinned by a gentle piano accompaniment and soulful vocal delivery. The lyrics, which offer a message of peace and acceptance, resonate with listeners going through challenging times. Cultural impact: Let It Be has become a timeless classic, often interpreted as a farewell from the Beatles as they disbanded. Its message of finding solace in difficult moments has made it a go-to song for comfort and reflection. Yesterday, 1965. Overview, released on the album Help. In 1965, Yesterday is one of the most covered songs in music history. Written by Paul McCartney, the song is a melancholic reflection on lost love, featuring only McCartney's vocals, acoustic guitar, and a string quartet. Musical structure: unlike many Beatles songs, Yesterday is a solo performance by McCartney, highlighting the simplicity and emotion of the melody. The lyrics capture a sense of longing and nostalgia, making it relatable to anyone who has experienced loss. Cultural impact: Yesterday has been covered by over 2,000 artists, ranging from Frank Sinatra to Boyz II Men. Its timeless quality and emotional depth have solidified its place as one of the greatest songs ever written, showcasing the Beatles' ability to create music that transcends genres and eras. These three Beatles hits, Hey Jude, Let It Be, and Yesterday, are more than just songs. They are cultural touchstones that have left an indelible mark on the world of music. Whether you're exploring them for the first time or revisiting them, understanding their significance adds a new layer of appreciation. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips, tutorials, and deep dives into iconic moments in music. Thanks for watching Cyber-Theo. Check my links below.